Today we will study a ROM. Acronym of ROM is Read Only Memory. What it will do? A ROM is one in which information is permanently stored. As we earlier studied a topic which is RAM, in which is volatile memory system, and if we switch off the system, there will be not any storage of any information. But in a ROM, it is in this information is permanently stored. The information from the memory can only be read, and it is not possible to write from fresh information. Okay, in this we can only read, and there's not any the which information which is written already, we can't write it. We can't give a next information which is in written form. Okay, it can only be read, as its name suggests, read only memory. So it will do an operation of read. The information is stored inside and not lost as the power supply is switched off. Okay, there will be a permanent storage inside. There will be not any loss of information. As compared to RAM, this information is lost when the power supply is switched off. Okay, ROM cell, also known as the field stores, permanent stores or dead stores. Okay, the names which are given as, it can also be known as the field stores, permanent stores and dead stores. A ROM is data storage facility into which information is written only once, and once the data is written into it, it produces the same output when addressed. Okay, ROM is a data storage facility. If we given an information, if we write once, means information is written at a one time, the data at we which getting the output, it will be the same address what we have written once. So this is a basic block diagram of ROM. There is an input address line and m output lines. Okay, if a 2 into the power n cross m ROM has n input line which can address 2 to the power n words of m bit each. For example, if we taken a 16 cross 5 bit ROM, means there will be the 4 address line which access the 16 words, means it access the 16 words, and and each word is of 5 bit. Okay, if we take an example, we have to make a ROM of 16 cross 5, so there will be a 4 address line and 16 words, and a word is of, each of the word is of 5 bit. The applications of ROM can be used for the sequence generator, waveform generator, 7-segment display. Okay, we can use a ROM here. Now there are some classifications of ROM: PROM, EPROM. So what is PROM? PROM is programmable read-only memory. In this, if we change the variation in the ROM chip, it will be a program, means we are converting the chip into the programmable. Okay, it is a non-volatile storage. As we know that RAM is a volatile storage, so ROM will be a non-volatile storage, and the stored information remains intact even the power is switched off. Okay, same as earlier I told you about that information stored remains when switched off. If we switch off the power, then also information is stored. If once information is stored in a ROM chip, in a PROM chip, it cannot be changed. Okay, if we have stored information and then we have to change it, but we can't change it. So this is a disadvantages of PROM. So this is a PROM chip. Okay, there's some fuses connection, which is there is a resistance also. These are the diodes are connected, some are not connected, means unfused, fused. So this is to remove this or to overcome the disadvantage of PROM. There is one next classification is done, which is EPROM, erasable programmable read only map. So what is EPROM? Okay, to overcome the disadvantage of PROM, introduce a erasable PROM. A EPROM overcome the problem of PROM. It is possible to erase information if stored. If as earlier told you that PROM, if once an information is stored, it cannot be changed. But in the EPROM, if we want to erase that information, which is stored in PROM chip, we can in EPROM chip, that can be done by the EPROM, and we can store a new information by erasing a earlier information. Okay, EPROM, it is possible to erase information stored in an EPROM chip, and the chip can be programmed to store new information using a EPROMs. It is mainly used by the research and development personnel to test the efficiency of the computer system with new program. This chip can be used for the research and development personnel test. Okay, that how the system is with the new program. All that we introduce many programs. Okay, we are removing it, we are erasing it, and updating our programs by using a EPROM.